Hi kids, it's Mr. Edwidge. We're here for Math Minute 39 on February 4th, 2021. It is Digital Day 4. I'm going to put my name on my paper first because we're done with packet work, at least for the time being, so everything you do is going to have your name on it. If you're watching this video, it means you had some issues with numbers 1 through 10 on Math Minute 39. If you have not started Math Minute 39 yet, you should be completing your work independently. If you've come here, it means I'm not too sure about this, I need some extra help. So please feel free at this point to fast forward through the video to the numbers that you want. There's no good way for me to separate them out, but you can use that +10, -10 seconds button, see if you can find the one you need so you can move on a little faster. In other words, you don't have to watch the whole video. Number 1, 2 times 9 equals. This is the same as saying 2 groups of 9 is the same as 18. I can solve that also by saying 9 plus 9 equals 18. Because here is 1 group of 9, here is 2 groups of 9. Number 2, this is an angle. This is true. An angle is where two line segments are raised, meet at a single point, and then go off in different directions. This is an angle. More specifically, this is probably a right angle, which means it's 90 degrees, but I can't be sure unless I measure it, and we don't have that tool right now. Number 3, 14 divided by 7. If you can do this mentally, you know that 7 goes into 14 2 times. If you can't, remember you can subtract away until you get to 0. And it takes a little bit longer, but if you're careful and you work methodically, you'll get the right answer. Number 4, 348 plus 41. Just go through the ones first. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus nothing is 3. You should end up with 389. Number 5, 6 times something equals 24. Well, in my brain, I know my fact family, so I know that 6 times 4 equals 24. If I didn't know that, I could figure it out just by saying 6 plus 6 is 12. That's 2 groups, plus 6 more. 18, that's 3 groups, plus 6 more gives me 24. And I added 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Number 6, write the times in order from earliest to latest. 2:15 p.m. comes first. You're looking at the hour. This is digital time. So the smallest hour, the closest one to 0, is the earliest time. Then I go look at the next one. My next biggest hour is 4:15. So 4:15 would go here. And then my last hour, or time I should say, is 6:45 p.m. and that one should go here. So just practicing putting times in place from a digital clock. Number 7, 85 minus 49. I can't take 5 away from 9, so I have to regroup. 15 minus 9 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. I should end up with 36. Number 8, write the number 358. 3 goes in the hundreds place. 5 goes in the tens place. 8 goes in the ones place. And last but not least, for questions 9 and 10, write down how much time passed from 1:15 to 3:45. I break this down into a little number line. So what I say is, well, from 1:15 to 2:15, I know that's an hour. From 2:15 to 3:15, I know that's an hour. And then from 3:15 to 3:45 is 30 minutes. So I know if I add 1 hour and 1 hour, I get 2 hours plus an extra 30 minutes. So 2 hours and 30 minutes. For number 10, from 2 to 4:15, If I can do this in my head, I know they already gave me the 2 hours. So from 2 to 4 is 2 hours. So I just need this 15 minutes on the end. So there's 2 different ways you can do that one. I know it was kind of small today because I didn't go back and forth and zoom in. Please let me know if you had trouble seeing it, because I can always do that. I'm just a little bit short on time today because of the snow. So I got here a little later than I wanted to. But again, if you struggled at all with Math Minute, you can go through and watch these videos and it will give you some inside information on how to get the right answers. And then you can go ahead and flip it over and work on your Grammar Minute. And once you're done with both, you can hand it in. So as long as I'm here, actually, you know what? I'm going to make a separate video for Grammar Minute. That way it's not super long and you can pick and choose either one to go through. So thanks, kids. Move on to Grammar Minute if you're ready. Again, you can choose to watch the video or choose not to. But if you get more than 2 wrong, I'm sending you back to the video to find your mistakes, or back to your desk and you can find them independently. And we'll work from there until we get them right. Thanks, kids. Bye.